Alright everybody, today is the day we're going to start the revival process for this GS550 here. And priority one is going to be cleaning it up. Now I'm going to go ahead and utilize and take advantage of the warmer weather that we had today, like in the low 40s. The hose is not solid ice, so I can use it to power the power washer and suds this thing up, knock a bunch of funk and crap off of it, and make it look like a 1980 motorcycle. So anyway, we're going to knock a bunch of crap off of it, get it to a nice clean base to work from. And then from there, the goal will be to make this thing run. Now, I have ordered a bunch of stuff for it, specifically like brake caliper rebuilds, master cylinder rebuilds, things like that. But priority one will be to get it running, to know that it'll be worth investing my time in doing the rest of the bike and servicing it and bringing it back on the road. So to make it run, I've ordered just a few things. I've got a new battery for it, obviously we need that. And then with the carbs, they're going to have to be rebuilt. So I went ahead and I got 4 float bowl gaskets. I've got the pre-filters for the needles. You'll see those. And then I've got the 4 rubber plugs that go in one of the emulsion tubes under the carbs. I usually find that those things, they dry up and they shrink, and then they don't seal whenever you try to rebuild them. So to save myself some headaches, save some time, I went ahead and got those. Now, I know you can get full carb rebuild kits. Those are fine. I kind of pick and choose what I want. I find that a lot of the brass I just clean and it's fine, it's good to go, so I don't have to replace that. So anyway, because it's warm, like I said, we're going to go ahead and wheel this thing outside, get the power washer set up, get it cleaned up, and then from there we're going to bring it inside, put it on the table, and then it'll be my goal to get the carburetors off this thing and start the rebuild process. Hopefully after that we can slap them back on the bike and we'll have it running in another video. But I'm pretty confident in it, and I'm going to go ahead and get started. Alright, so we're making a little bit of progress here before we take this thing out to power wash it. Wanted to show you just one of the challenges you face with an older bike sometimes, and that's the fuel cap. Now, this thing has a key with it, but this key is already pretty weak. I don't know if you can see that bend, but I couldn't get the fuel cap open with this key, and I wasn't really comfortable trying it. So what I did is I ordered a couple repop keys from eBay, and they're cut to the original switches, and I'll show you how to find those codes. But oh man, this thing took everything it had. So between the new key, you can see that level of twist in there, having that, you know, a screwdriver to help twist, and then a wrench to help pull onto it, it barely got it. The key actually just started to tear at that last moment, but that's why I ordered 2 spare keys, just to have the extras. So anyway, got the cap off. The tank is horrible inside, so it was obviously stored with fuel, maybe about up to there, and that fuel is now dirt. So anyway, one big crisis averted, but we'll see if we can save this tank. I'm sure we can. I'll do some electrolysis on it and see what I can get from it. So on the subject of keys, a lot of these old bikes I've had to get replacement keys for, and sometimes the code is actually written on the ignition switch or whatever key barrel that you have. In the instance of the Suzuki here, there's a code. That one is a 104, whatever, who cares? I don't think any of you guys are going to steal this thing, but Suzuki keys have a number stamped into them. So what I do, you can go on eBay or whatever, and there's usually a bunch of sellers on there who can cut keys based off the old numbers. So look for key code 104. There's a short and a long in this instance. So I ordered a short 104, got a couple of those, and they fit great. So easy as that. But I've got keys for Hondas and Suzukis and Kawasaki's and stuff like that, and it's really a nice thing to be able to get. So anyway, little tip for you there. It's like 40-something degrees. It's gonna be exciting. She's on the table. Excited. Let's dig in. All right, she's up on the table. What I need to do first, go ahead and get the seat off, get the tank off. I'll do the side covers, battery, just start pulling off some miscellaneous stuff. And hopefully I can get the airbox moved back far enough to get the carbs out with relative ease. So let's see how it goes. Alright, I'm ready to try to slip these things out of here. So you saw I heated the boots a little bit. I'm going to start with just some gentle prying on each one. It's just important not to get all ham-fisted with this. Little helping hand. for this very reason, I might just go with pods. I don't ride in the rain anyway. Oh, get out of there. Okay. Ew. That wasn't all that bad. A little ingenuity, you can make it happen. Alright everybody, that does it for this video. We went ahead and we cleaned this thing, you know, with the power washer, with everything assembled. And now we went ahead and we got the carburetors off of this thing. So in the next episode, I'm going to try to do a full teardown and rebuild. And I might break that up into 2 episodes, like one being teardown and cleaning and then the other being assembly, just to kind of keep it a little bit more focused. But I know there's a lot of people that would like to see more details on how these carburetors work and the process for rebuilding and stuff like that. So hopefully I can show you guys some good information in my process for doing it. But anyway, that's it for this one, like I said, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.